Hi everybody. This is the next part of tutorials. This is tutorial 2. We're carrying on from tutorial 1. So if you haven't had a look at that, you might want to check that one out first and get an idea of where we're up to. Today we're working again with Riptide by Vance, and the three chords that we're working on are A minor, G and C. Now you can use any of the instruments that we talked about in tutorial 1. Feel free to bring a keyboard in if you've got keyboards. Just need to make sure that of course you play those three chords. So the three chords are A minor, just recapping what we spoke about, G and C. Now remember, that was 4 strums for the A minor, 4 strums for the G, and 8 strums from the C. You can do that, or you can even halve it if you want to. I know that what I mean by that is you can do 2 of A minor, 2 of G, 4 of C. It's just that it's a little harder to do that because for some kids and some people, they have to get their fingers around it faster. If you feel more comfortable doing 4, feels natural. Here we go. We're going to do it now, and if you don't have any instruments, feel free to sing along with me. Okay, here we go. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster with it. Here we go. I was scared of dentist and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. Yeah, true. All my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in the dream. Wahoo! Stuck, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I'm gonna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. There's this movie that I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job, head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself, and she's been living on the highest shelf. Wahoo! How, and they come unstuck, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I'm gonna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song. I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I'm gonna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. One more time. Oh lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I'm gonna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Wahoo! Wah-ha! And they come unstuck. Be wonderful, everybody. Peace be with you all. Miss you heaps. See you all soon.